Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the lift points on a 2011 Ford F-150. So when you go into the undercarriage, you don't want to lift on the lower control arms, for your jack stands can pop out from the pressure of the vehicle, but a good spot is on the frame. There's several points on the frame. There's one right here where I have the actual lift. And then anywhere on a solid part of the frame as you go down, and you'll see a point where you have an actual drain hole. That's a good spot. There's a little indent. That's a solid flat surface. If you have a lift, you can mount them on the shackle bracket. Same on the driver's side, shackle bracket, lift point here, and up front here, lift point, or in front of the crossmember bracket there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.